Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is April 7th, and we are going to take a look at Palantir stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how you can use technical analysis to make better trading and investing decisions. But I am not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and make your own decisions. Palantir is down 16 cents, 12.84. Post-market, we are up 2 cents. So let's look at the damage right here. So since yesterday, we are back into this lower moving upward channel right here. We are back into this one here. And also I don't like to do this too much because this is way too steep, but this is the current slope of the decline. When resistance are that steep, they don't last a long time. So I think it's going to change. But so far, this is what we have. Let's see the 1 hour chart. On this 1 hour chart, we're trying to go higher during the first hour, but then we're pushed down. So a longer wick at the top means that the sellers won that round. And then they won the second round because the stock came down right here. You can almost see this wick at the top as a red candle, basically, because the stock tried to go here, but then it was pushed down the same way it has been pushed down right here. But then it stabilized here, maybe at around 1260. It stabilized a little bit, then it's bouncing on this. So it has already broken this resistance on the 1 hour chart. But looking at Stochastic super low like this at 15, I don't believe in anything much. We could be going back up to 1346. But if we don't have Stochastic over 60, it's going to come back down here. Basically, this is the best that it can do for now. But then if Stochastic goes higher, then we might be thinking at crossing back 1350. So we'll have to see about that. On the daily chart, we had lost Stochastic yesterday. This is coming down. MACD, we still have it. RSI below 50. I think I'm going to start this. So RSI below 50. So we see that things are turning around. And DMI, we also lost DMI. So this can happen very fast. But yeah. So it is what it is. We could be going back down to $11 for all we know, because there is a support right here. There's a support right here, increasing support. So maybe this is where the stock is going to stop. We'll have to see. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. If you like what I do, tell others. Click on my TradingView affiliate link. Become a YouTube member. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk on Monday because I'm taking some time off, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.